it just didn't work. What's up, billionaires? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be What's up, billionaires? Today's video is going to be about my faves and fails, my holy grails and fails. Jeffree Star does the holy grails and fails, so that's what we're gonna do today, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna make this video sweet and short because I have some really hot lights on me right now. As you can tell, it's a little bit more of a warmy glow that we're working with today. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. Alright, so for this video I picked out some of my favorite things and some of the things that I really hate using. Okay, so all of these brands, every brand that I ever feature or talk about on my channel will always be cruelty free and most likely vegan. Some brands do use things like beeswax, which I try to buy vegan, but like sometimes they just don't list the ingredients on the product. I do always try to read the ingredients on my products, and you should too. It's not about reading the front of the label, it's about reading the back of the label, and I think that's what we have to train ourselves to start doing because it's so important of what you put on your face. Like, it's not just foundation. Like, foundation can have lead in it, you know, you have to read those ingredients. So all right, let's begin. So the first, I'm gonna start out with a fail, okay? Because those are fun and people don't really talk about what they don't like. And I love watching fave and fail videos because you know what not to buy. I do love all of these brands. Like, all of the brands that I have in the fail pile, I do use their other stuff. You know, this was just a miss for this one. So we're gonna start out with the NYX Dreamcatcher palette. So this palette, it looks super cute, right? It looks adorable, but you know, there is just no pigment at all. Like, especially like this purple I was super hyped about, there's no pigment in any of these and there's just a ton of fallout. So save your money and don't buy this. NYX, I love you, I absolutely love you, but just not this palette. So now we're gonna move on to a palette that I do love. So if you don't know, NYX is cruelty-free, just like Stila. So Stila is cruelty-free. This is one of my older palettes. You can tell it's kind of worn off. This one has so much pigment. There is so much pigment in these shades. However, there is a little bit of fallout, but I would say that it's worth it. Can you stop? My little kitties get into everything. So yeah, there is a little bit of fallout in this palette, but I would say it's worth it because the pigment does have an amazing payoff. Okay. I'm really liking this lighting. Let me know what you think about it. If I should go more of a colder tone lighting or warmer tone lighting. I'm really feeling this. I'm wearing this new little top that I got at Wasteland. It's like navy blue satin with like some lace details. It kind of looks like a bomber jacket, but not really. I don't know. It's cute. I love it. Okay, sorry about that. I had to put my kitty in timeout. All right, now back to a fail. Okay, so y'all know Morphe, right? This is the E6 brush. It's like definitely a stippling brush. Like, I love what they were trying to do here, but it just didn't work. It just didn't work. And all over the internet, you will see so many pictures of like this, of Morphe doing this. Morphe, get your shit together for real. Like, I love Morphe. They are cruelty free and I believe they are vegan, but come on, like this was like a new brush, like, and it just fell apart. So I'm not hating on Morphe. That is just truth tea, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you and say, oh my god, this is amazing, this brush like works so well. Yes, we ain't gonna do that here. But I do love Morphe. I do have a couple of their palettes in front of me. Morphe is like, I love Morphe. This is the 35W palette. And this one is just amazing. Like, their palettes are amazing. However, these little pans, they do fall out a lot. So I would say work on your glue. So yeah, Morphe, I don't know what is up, but like, it's your glue, clearly. Because here, like, let's just do a test. Oh, okay, none of them fell out. None of them fell out. I think it's the other palette that I had problems with. But yeah, this one is absolutely gorgeous. I really love, especially these dark purple shades. You can tell I've tapped into those a lot. I am gonna play with this in some more future videos, but yeah, we still love Morphe. We love you. Just work on your glue. Like, yeah, like, see this one? You see how there's one right here? Come on, Morphe, get better glue. Like, honey, what? Like, honey, what? This is more of a neutral one. This is the 35K palette, and I love both of them. Their palettes are great, their brushes are not. End of that. On to another fail. This was the Pacifica face mask, and I really, really do love Pacifica. Not hating on them, not hating on any of these brands. You get it, but this one just stung. It, like, my face was on fire. It burned, like, so bad. This was the one with coconut caffeine. Could have been that. The ingredients, there's like xanthan gum, green tea extract, caffeine, coconut fruit extract, a lot of flower extracts. I just don't know what phenethylxyl is, or Alexa the glycerin is, or yeah, and perfume. There's perfume in this. So you have to watch out for some face masks. Most face masks have fragrance in them. You should not put fragrance on your face. That is like putting perfume on your face. Don't do that. Don't use any product with fragrance on your face. Okay, so yeah, this one kind of sucked, but I tried their other one, the rose peptide one, and this one was awesome. This one really, really worked. It did not sting my face. And we have that little cruelty-free bunny on the back with the little vegan V. So we love that. We love it. We love it. I don't know. That was kind of weird how I bought two and I thought like both would suck or both would be awesome, but like no, one sucked, one didn't. Tom's, I love you. I use your toothpaste. I use your deodorant. Even though there is carrageenan in your toothpaste, which is not cool. This one, it's cruelty-free. I love it. Cruelty-free. Everything's cruelty-free. But I don't know if I want to do this. Like, literally, do you see how it literally just drips? I'm not even, like, messing with you. Tom's, you cannot make lip gloss. I am not sorry. You just can't make lip gloss. And don't try. Just don't. Okay? Now onto a fave. Wet n Wild foundation. Honey, this was probably like, I want to say like $6 to $8. I don't know the exact price, but it says vegan on the back. It says cruelty-free on the front. I love how they are starting to market that. Wet n Wild. We love you. We love you. This is amazing. It's not really, really thick coverage, but I use this and I use this together, the Wet n Wild Cruelty-Free Concealer Corrector. This is like $3 or $4, and this is the best concealer I have ever used. I'm not lying. I will not lie to you in these videos, okay? This is the shiznit. Okay, okay. And just my last Wet n Wild product that we got here, the Halo, the Hello Halo. I'm wearing it today. You see this little highlight we got going on here? I'm loving it. I do not put it on my nose because I'm not Rudolph, and I hate when girls do that. Do not put highlighter on the tip of your nose. Honey, what are you highlighting? Why are you trying to look like Rudolph? I don't know. Okay. But this stuff is amazing, and this will last me like literally until I die, because I use just the tiniest drop and I just rub it in with my fingers, and then I get this amazing glow. So love it, love it, love it. This is in the shade Goddess Glow. I love the name, and it says vegan and it says cruelty free, and we love that. We love Wet n Wild. Okay, now on to another fail. Milani Prime Perfection. So I have not tried all of their primers out. This is the only primer I have tried from Milani, but just look at their ingredient list. Like, come on, like, focus. That's a lot of shiz that I cannot pronounce. So usually it's like, if there's something in it that I cannot pronounce, I don't want to use it. I don't want to put something I don't know on my face. You feel me? This one, I love a silicone primer. This one is more of like a glue. Like, I legit felt like I was putting Elmer's glue on my face, which we do not like. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this up because I hate wasting, and I'm not gonna buy it again. But a primer that I do love is by e.l.f. This was $4. Oh my god, don't look at my nails. I was painting. So this one I believe was closer to $10. These are all drugstore, mostly all drugstore. e.l.f. So many people shit on e.l.f., but e.l.f. is the shit. Like, this was like $3 or $4. This has like the nice silicone texture, just like the poreless primer from Benefit, but Benefit tests on animals. So we use e.l.f. We love e.l.f. Eyes, lips, and face. I think that's what it stands for. This was amazing. Definitely gonna get this again. Okay. We got another palette. Too Faced Natural at Night. I love Too Faced. They are cruelty-free, unlike Benefit. And most of their products are great, but this stuff has the most fallout in a palette I have ever seen. Do you see how much is like just all over it. This stuff, like, you legit have to, if you're gonna use this palette, you have to put it on first before your foundation, because if you put it on and you have foundation on, honey, your eyeshadow is gonna be right here, okay? Because there is so much fallout in this. This is like an older palette, I believe, so it's not like anything that just came out, so kind of does make sense. Hopefully they got their palettes together now, but do not pick this up. But try the other Too Faced products. I don't have one here for us, but I do have this Urban Decay Naked Skin color corrector, which I do love. So color correcting, if you have red acne, you're going to want to use something that's green, because green is the opposite of red. So if you have red face, you're going to use green, so you have less red face. If you have dark circles like me, I get dark circles, so easy. Dark circles are purple and blue, so the opposite of purple is yellow, so you're going to want to use yellow underneath your eyes. So that's what I put on, so I don't have crazy bags. I can't remember the price of this one, but I know it wasn't crazy expensive. We love Urban Decay so much. I bet this was like $10 or $15. I don't want to guess, but I know it wasn't crazy up there. Okay, I'm gonna do another fave because I definitely have more faves than fails. So this is the Bare Minerals Firming Eye Treatment. So for those dark circles, this is amazing because it's like you can wear it underneath your foundation just like this. Like I would put on this and then put like a powder to set it with. But this stuff is amazing. I swear, right when I used it, like my dark circles went away. So Bare Minerals, I love you. Sponsor me, Bare Minerals. Hit me up, okay? We love you. We love you a lot. Oh, as well as their lip gloss or their lipsticks. They are amazing. I'm wearing it right now. This is the most creamy thing in the world. It matches my nails too, but it's so gorgeous. Like I just wanna reapply. We love this. This is in Kitty. This is called Kitty. That's so cute. I love the packaging. I love how it's just so sleek and just is perfect. I really, really, really love Bare Minerals. Okay, on to a fail, something I don't love. This is the Argan Wear Physicians Formula, and I know I featured this in a video like a long time ago saying that I really liked it, but recently, Okay, so yeah, I did like this at first until I found out there is beeswax in it, so it's not vegan, it is cruelty-free still. I do like the fact that it has argan oil in it, but do you see this tip? Do you see that? You cannot get a sharp wing like the one I did with this today. I did use a Physicians Formula one, but it's the sleek tube. I featured that in a video further back as well. But this one, it might work if you're not looking for... Oh shit. I just realized this whole thing is the eyeliner. Like, you see what I just did? Like, this whole thing is eyeliner. What? Yeah, that's too much, honey. Okay, something that we are raving about is the Shea Moisture Face Lotion. I love this stuff. It has a lot of ingredients that I don't know. Probably too many ingredients that are needed. There is fragrance in it, but it says it's an essential oil blend. So yeah, I do love Shea Moisture. Their hair mask is amazing. I really, really love them. So yeah, go pick this up. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh, Pixie. Okay. Pixie. This is the Flawless Finishing Powder. Pixie, I don't think it's sold at the drugstore, but it is sold at Target. And they do have their own store on Abbott Kinney. So yes, I love this. It's just white. It doesn't have any shimmer. It's totally matte, which I love. And I love their packaging. Just the mint green is just adorable, and it's really, really affordable at Target. I think it's an exclusive there. I'm really not sure. So the last product, second to last product, because I'm finished with my fails, because I have more faves at the end of the day. This is Marc Jacobs Beauty. So Marc Jacobs, the clothing brand, I believe does have sweatshops and does test on animals, probably. But can you stop? You need to chill. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, Marc Jacobs clothing line, I believe, does have sweatshops, which means they do support slavery to some extent. However, I don't want to just make that claim. I will do my own research further, or if you know anything, comment down below, because we don't want to support anything that's human slavery, because sweatshops mean slavery. Okay, so this one I do love, and I did research that Marc Jacobs is cruelty-free, so we support that. We do. This is the, what is this? Strange Magic New Nudes Sheer Lip Gel. Sheer Lip Gel. I did put this on earlier, so I'm wearing a combination of like the Bare Minerals and this one. It's so cute. It's just in a really cute color. It's kind of showing up different on camera, but it's really, really cute, light pinky nude. And yeah, I love the packaging. It's just like so sleek and magnetic, and we are just living for it. All right, the last product I have. This video is way too long already. I said it was gonna be a short video. I'm so sorry. Well, I'm not sorry. More watch time. Whatever. Okay, this lotion is LYFT. It is LYFT. So they carry these products at Whole Foods. I love Whole Foods. Pacifica is amazing. Whole Foods only sells cruelty-free brands. That's what I really love about them. This is the Andalou Body Butter 1000 Roses. This legit just smells like rose, like, and a little goes a long way. It like just smells like pure rose essential oil, even though that's not, that it's probably in it, but it's mostly aloe leaf juice, which is cool. And on the back it says gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, and cruelty-free. All of the things we love. So this is definitely worth it. I want to say this was around like 10 bucks or something. Could be more. I have no idea. My mom got it for me. I love it. Okay. That is it for today. That is it for us. I will try to have all the products linked down below. I will try all the faves. If I don't hate me, because I'm still like, I don't know, I'm having problems with Amazon affiliates, so whatever. Okay, I love you all so much. If you are interested in booking a reading with me, oracle, natal chart, all of that fun stuff, dream interpretation, head over to my website, CosetteDemille.com. All the links are below in the description box. Make sure to follow me on all my social media. When I'm not on here, I am on there. And if you'd like to order an oil from me, from DeMille Beauty, I make these little oils, and they are just so delectable. So delectable. This one is my fairy fever potion, so this one helps you see fairies. But you, of course, have to believe in them already, you know? This just adds to the magic. So hit me up for a custom potion. Custom potions are my favorite to do, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Can you stop? Oh my god, get out of the box! Okay. I have to let the kitten out now. Kitten! Indigo! Oh my god, get down! I'll fight you. Give me a second. My kitty is getting into everything.